Ben with Car Keys New York. We are inside of a 2022 Kia Niro. This is a full EV, and we will be making keys for this 2022 push button. And we got all our details here, and let's see how this goes. Ignition is off. There's our ident screen. First we need to get the PIN code. Screen's dirty. There we go. So this is test the Smart Pro can actually extract the PIN code on this. You don't need to obtain a dealer PIN code. Usually takes about a minute and a half to do this. And there we go. We have the PIN code. Let's hit OK. Now, just make sure the car. So, yeah, the car will require some kind of a reset after you read the PIN code because of the PIN code reading. So if you went right now and tried to program proximity keys, it'll fail. It's going to try and it's going to fail out because the car is kind of like stuck right now. Yeah, let's see if it actually works. Here's our key. Oh, key successfully programmed. Nope. Let's see if it actually worked. Yep. Oh, the car. It did not freeze the car. That's cool. Great job, Smart Pro. And we have 183 miles of range. Ain't that nice?